Hi everyone. Actually, this is the video for students to attend the online test by using the Test Easy app. Okay, through the Test Easy app, how to attend the test. So let us see here. First of all, you have to download the Test Easy app from the Play Store. Okay, so go to Play Store and there you type test easy. Okay, then the app will be appeared. So here you can see, so just to install it. So already I have installed, that's why it shows open. Okay, so after installing, just to give the open. Okay, when it open, the home page will be in this format. Okay, this is the home page of the Test Easy app, and everyone you make the full screen of the video, then only you can see the full screen of the home page. Okay, everyone you make the full screen, maximize the video. Clear? So in that you can see at last of the page, new user, no account yet, sign up. So we are the new user, isn't it? So first we have to sign up, and after that only we can able to use it. So first you have to click the sign up. Okay, when you give the sign up, and this page will be opened. So first you have to choose the destination. So to sign up, everyone should have the email address. Okay, if you are a student or teacher, everyone should have the email address. If you don't have email address, you ask your parent, and you can use your parent email address here. Okay, so the first step, destination. So choose destination, it is here in the option, so click that. Okay, so in that, Twitter and student. So we are, you are the student, so first you have to click the student. So after that, username, here you give your name. Okay, here you can give your name, and here your parent mail id. Understood? Father or mother mail id should be given here. After that, you have to create a password. You have to create a password for this app. Not your it is not it is not compulsory that you have to give your email id password. It is not like that. You can create a new password for this app. After that, you confirm the password. Understood? After that, you can sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, the app will be ready for you to attend the test. Okay, so after sign up, so automatically it will go to this page. Okay, so now you will be in the login page. So you no need to do anything hereafter. How to attend the test, let me tell you. So this is the step to install the app. After that, sign up in the app. So those things we have seen. After that, how to attend the test, let me explain you. Okay, you will get the link to attend the test in WhatsApp or mail. Maximum the link will be sent in the WhatsApp group only. Okay, so how to attend it, let me explain you. Okay, listen here. Here it is. This is the test link, and so here you can see the appear for test with test link. So there is a blue color link code, just to click on it. So when you click on it, it will be shown this type of options. Here you have to choose the test easy. So once you click the test easy, after that you have to give your mail id. Okay, so you have to give your mail id and password and login. So once you log in, so this page will be appeared. Okay, so guidelines for mock test. So uh, what are the instruction it is given here, that everything about your examination. Okay, you can give, I have read all the instruction above and ready to go, then you can give start. So see here, you have a 10 questions here, and it is a multiple choice questions, and for each question you have 4 choice, isn't it? So you see here, in the top, the second column, in the top second row, there are the two options. You may see here. One is paper, another one is file responses. One is paper, another one is file responses. Okay. Here, in the file responses, you see for your 10 questions, the choice is given. So just you are going to first, if you are going to attend the first test paper, okay, go to the paper and read the question. In the capital city Brussels, 80% people speak. The options are given: French, Dutch, German, English. So which is your answer? Okay, and if it is A, then you go to file responses and click the option A. Suppose you think that answer is B, you can give the answer B, C, D. Any one answer will be the answer, isn't it? Any one option will be the answer, so you can click it. Okay, like that you have to attend the 10 questions. So go to the paper side and read the question, and after that go to the file responses. There you can give the answers. So just simply I am giving here. Okay, just I have attended all the questions, and here in the side you can see the, so in the right side you see progress count, response recorded. So how many questions you have attended, how many remaining. So response record 10 I have attended, so no remaining. Okay, after that time left, so 38 minutes left for your submission. So you have a time. So usually for 10 marks will give you 10 minutes. So like that it will be the timing. So timing everything will be mentioned in the circular. Okay, so the time left 37 minutes. Now see, it is reducing second by second, isn't it? Now once you complete your answers, you are ready with your answer, you can go to the go to at the end of this page, the file response. In the end of the page you can see the submit option. Give the submit. Okay, then you can give the finish. So check responses. Okay, so if you check the responses, see, attended 10, total number of question 10, unanswered 0. So you have attended all the questions, submit successful. So you can check the answer here and your responses, and you have given, so I have given first question D answer, but it is given answer B. Here B, A. Okay, so see the fourth question, answer is given B and the correct answer also B. Fifth question answer is C, and fifth question answer, correct answer also C. And seventh question, my answer is 7 and the correct answer also 7. See, like that how many questions you have attended correct, you can check that also. Clear? So this is the way only you can attend the test. Automatically your progress will send to the subject teacher. So subject teacher will note down your marks. Clear everybody? You might have understand, I think so. And what is the name you are giving while registering the username? That name will be appeared in the teachers server. Okay, so there the teachers can note down your name. So while you are giving the username, while signing up, so that time you give your name clearly, full name with initial. Okay, thank you everybody.